I'm Chef Gauri Raze, and today I would like to take you through a satisfying journey of salads. So let me just tell you something about dressings. Dressings are something which uplifts the flavor of salad. There are a lot of options that are available in market, but the homemade ones are always tasty. So let me just begin with showing you a basic dressing, which is a basic vinaigrette. For that we need lemon juice, olive oil, powdered garlic. If you don't have a powdered garlic, you can always use minced garlic to it. A little salt, some black pepper, and some chili flakes. All you have to do is just mix it up, and this is your basic vinaigrette which is ready. You can store this in refrigerator for almost 2 weeks. To keep changing the flavors, you can add any fresh or dried herbs as per your liking. So second dressing that I would like to show today is a cream based dressing. Generally we use mayonnaise for it, but I would like to share a healthier version. Instead of mayonnaise, we will be using hung curd, something like this. To this we will be adding minced garlic or garlic powder. If you have mustard sauce, you can use mustard sauce, or you can just use plain powdered mustard if you have. Some olive oil to it. Olive oil basically helps to emulsify the sauce. Some salt and black pepper. Mix it all together. And your cream based dressing is ready. To this you can add grated cheese if you like. You can add a little fresh cream if you like. And it is so versatile. You can add any herbs, any seasonings, or anything that you like into it. So this is a very healthier version. So now let me just quickly tell you about proteins. Proteins make salad very fulfilling. There are different kinds of proteins that you can use. Something like sprouts. All you have to do is soak them overnight, boil them with little salt, and you can use them directly. Or you can use paneer or tofu. Just lightly add some salt and pepper and lightly roast them on the pan, or use them raw. Or you can use mushrooms. Mushrooms again, slice them, add some butter and some garlic to it, saute it and use it. Or you can use chicken, which is either cooked like boiled or roasted chicken. Also, most of the times what I do is I use a leftover chicken tandoori or chicken tikkas that we have and use that in a salad. And the general perception about salad is that they're very boring, they're very tasteless. But today, here I am today to change the perception of salad. Let me just quickly show you a mixed sprout salad. Here I have taken some boiled chanas, then boiled green peas. To that I have added some chopped red cabbage, bell peppers, and some lettuce. To this I'll also be adding some chopped cherry tomatoes. If you don't have cherry tomatoes, you can always use the normal tomatoes. Here I am using leeks, which I have sliced. If you don't have leeks, you can always use onions. Let's add the vinaigrette that we prepared. Add some salt and some black pepper. Toss everything together. So let's just serve our sprout salad. It is very tasty and very tangy. If you like tangy flavors, this is the salad. So now, just to uplift a flavor and to add a little protein punch to it, what I'm going to do is take a piece of small paneer and just crumble it on top. If you want, you can add some grated cheese as well. Next, I'm demonstrating a roasted paneer salad with some orange wedges and beetroot. For that, we need a base of lettuce. You can use any greens that are available. Here I've taken roasted paneer, which I had marinated it with some salt and pepper. Orange wedges, beetroot, which I boiled for like 1 whistle, and wedges of that. Here I have used some zucchini ribbons. Then I had some leftover coleslaw with me, which is red cabbage and bell peppers. And I'll be using the same vinaigrette dressing. So let's just get tossing. I'll add some lettuce to this. To this I'll add some ribbons of zucchini. Instead of paneer, if you like, you can add mushrooms or roasted chicken. You can add like a pinch of salt. So your roasted paneer and orange and beetroot salad is ready to eat.